We're on a date. Actually, we're going to work. Here's Hyder. We're driving, eating pizza in the car wash. On our way.
It can't get more American than eating a pizza in a drive-through car wash. Wow.
That's sold at the gas station. Everything at the gas station convenience.
No,
Come
but-
here, get your car washed, get your pizza, barbecue chicken pizza,
It's fantastic. man.
and what else did they do there?
I don't know.
I don't know. We're gonna roll the windows down?
Nope.
Why not?
I have stuff. I don't want to lose anything. I hate
There's
surprises.
nothing back there.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Your hair?
It would just dry it.
Really?
Wait, so are we supposed to turn the camera around and like point it at us?
No, we have to.
How do we turn the camera around?
I don't know.
Okay, well, let me stop it and then we'll press it. Okay, roll it out.
Did you lose your money?
No, it wasn't the money. Our pizza flew out the window.
Ah! That's a
Our
punishment.
pizza flew out the window.
Let's run away. I still haven't gonna eat my piece. Oh my god. Take it out. No.
Look at my hand. I can't even hit stop.
I will not hit stop. It's your punishment. You know what?
Don't eat my pizza.
Your? That was your idea. Your idea. Your idea. You know where's your pizza? Your pizza is where your idea? Where's my pizza, Heiner?
I'm not telling Karen that that's our pizza all over the car wash.
And I ordered extra layer, my favorite barbecue. God, okay, Habibi, that's fine. Oh! Gone with the wind. Gone?
So,
Gone with the wind.
note to other idiots.
Not me. Idiot. Idiot. Your idea. Your pizza.
Make sure you keep the lid down on the pizza box. Because, see, I had the lid down. And then,
By the way, let me recorrect. That was an American. That was not American. Because I said, wait a minute, pizza here. I didn't know they want to eat pizza and.
our pizza flew out the window, Hyder.
Yeah, and I will not turn it off. It's your punishment.
Mm-hmm.
No, actually, we need to stop so that you can take care of your hands. Okay, we love you guys.